Oh my God, the charts look horrible for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DAVITAR Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying live here in Chile, not Dubai. I'm going to be here for a little while longer. If you want to meet up, let's talk about that in the comment section if you're here living in Chile. All right, with that said, we're going to be talking about how Bitcoin and Ethereum looks very, very weak, and looks like the bottom's about to drop out of both those particular cryptocurrencies. And we're going to be also doing some going over some news. We're going to be talking about Google's Brad, what it's choosing for cryptocurrencies. I guess Brad is Google's Siri. I'm not 100% sure. And we're going to talk about how we're seeing signs of a bottom in this industry, and at the same time, right? Lots of developers are just coming in. Then we're going to talk about how the media likes to lie, of course, about what's going on in the crypto space, and you need to go and do the opposite whenever they come out with their lies. All right. With that said, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, bell button, and all. And if you want to help out the channel, you can go into links in the description and join any of the exchanges that are just below here. Because those exchanges, just sign up. Even if you're not planning on trading, you can sign up and buy cryptocurrencies there, and it really help out the channel. So make sure you go and sign up to one or all of the exchanges that are listed in below. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's get on with the first news of today. Right, here we go. Google's Brad has something to say, right, about crypto. And so let's take a look at some of his choices, right? And Brad saying that Bitcoin, right, of course, should be in your portfolio if you got just $100, which is believe it or not, you can buy small amounts of Bitcoin for $100. You could just buy $20 worth of Bitcoin, even $1 if you wanted. And then it's saying Ethereum, these are decent choices. Then it went to Cardano, which I was like, wow, okay. And then it goes on to Solana, sometimes on long, or SOL. I think Solana is SOL personally. Matic, that's a good choice, for sure. I found that Sand was an interesting one, and I was thinking, what happened to Binance Chain, which is interesting how Binance Chain is missing from this list here. So, I like that. I might look into Sand because I'm not, as the Sandbox, right? Because I'm not familiar with that particular project. Okay, Revolut to shut the U.S. crypto operation due to regulatory environment. Yes. Choke point 2.0 is working 100%. As more and more companies are just stopping the crypto, and it's walking away from because the government is just too brutal. And this is expected, and we're seeing this is a sign of a bottom in the cryptocurrency space. This is a time for you to start shopping, start buying. If you wait until later, you're going to be just joining the rest of the crowd of people. Why do that? Okay, developers are continuing to dive into crypto space as the market remains lackluster. Yes, software development, this is the time to build when everything is down, everything is crushed. This is the time to come in and build something real. Yeah, developers are smart, and they know that that's the case, and that's why they're coming into this environment. Sorry, I'm just going to go over the headlines because I want to quickly do this show, and then Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin fall amidst a rise of jobless claims. Veteran trader says BTC whales are selling for God knows what reason. Right? So anyways, wow. So look at that. Oh my gosh. Huge drop. Oh my God. Minus 0.18%. Minus 0. So if you were to just read the headline on this one, you'd be like, yeah, oh gosh, the crypto's going down. Be careful. It's wiped out, man. You get wiped out. Now, with that said, unfortunately, there is a chance that Bitcoin comes and retests the $27,500 level. This is not only the trend line, where the trend line is. But also what's interesting is that the Fibonacci sequence, the 61.8, lines up with that as well. And you can see the 61.8 is like the $27,500 level approximately. So yeah, that's where we have to bounce, or else this thing will break down undoubtedly down to the 20K area. So that would be a nightmarish scenario. Looking at Ethereum, you can see that we are breaking down on the daily. We're just there's no hope. You can see like you could take this leave the Fibonacci there, and I want to take this line. I want to move it a little bit down so you can see that there is a clear descending triangle and a break of that descending triangle, which means that we can break down easily to, if not 61.8, a lot more, all the way down to the 88.6, which is the 1666 or 64. So yeah, look out for something catastrophic on both Ethereum and Bitcoin. Odds of us surviving this and having Bitcoin actually and Ethereum turn around are now extremely low. So this is where the trade is. If you're interested in trading, make sure you head over to bit.davincij15.com or okx.davincij15.com. All right, that's it for today. Make sure that you trade safely out there, and don't go overboard if you're with leverage, because it can be dangerous out there. But if you know how to use it properly, it can make you a lot of money. If you just do a small leverage, if you want to short this market, you can. I would suggest you take profits for Ethereum, for Bitcoin at the 27.9-ish area, a little bit before the 61.8, and for Ethereum a little bit higher than it's 61.8, which is just above the $1,800 mark, is where you probably want to start taking profits on Ethereum. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, bell button and all, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.